I was crazy enough to think that I would get everything I wanted in life without any struggle. But graduating and going out into the real world, I had a hard time finding my purpose and how I would fit in. I would see my friends and classmates getting hired by companies and really settling in life. And of course, I was happy for them, but somehow deep down, uh, I felt like I was left behind. I am an ordinary person. I am an average student as well, and I don't have any special skill. Of course, I participated in sports and extracurricular activities in school, but that was just for the sake of participating, not to be the best or the first. This woke me up to the fact that I was living in a small bubble that I created in my mind, and it would burst anytime soon. This realization put me on a journey of self discovery. And by self discovery, I don't mean anything what the gurus or the mystics say, but truly understanding the what I'm capable of and what my true interests are. And I started reading a lot. I would read everything that I could get my hands on: history, geography, science, politics, philosophy, psychology, people, and you name it. I would read everything and learn for hours and hours. Slowly, I started to understand what I really like, and what I'm good at. And within a few years, I understood the fact that in order to keep growing, I should not stop learning. What I went through was not an enjoyable experience. Reading for hours and hours is not a pleasant experience. And I'm sure that 95% of the people who does not like where their current situation are not willing to put in that effort to make a change. That is why I decided to share the learnings with my followers, those who follow me on Instagram, so that they do not have to put in the struggle and learn something without that effort. This is my humble attempt to help you and inspire you to make that change. Today, I want to leave you with three things that I'm sure will definitely help you in realizing your goals. One, you should always be learning new things. Two, you should always be trying new things. And three, you should always be around interesting people. See you on the next one.